Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Cooking It Up with Ro. Today what we're going to be making, I'm going to show you two different ways that I do my yellowtail snapper. So we're just going to go ahead and get right into it. This is one of the fishes. I'm going to show you how I prep it before preparing to season it. So it's going to be pretty self-explanatory. You guys go ahead and just watch. The ingredients will be listed in the description box below, guys. So if you do want to try this recipe, don't forget to go to the description box, okay? And guys, thank you so much for being patient with me. I broke my camera stand, my tripod, so I'm waiting for another one to come in. So there's a little bit of movement going on. I had one of my kids come and help me out so that I can continue to record. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All right, guys, now that we have both of our fishes seasoned, we want to go ahead and prepare to get the first one in the oven so that it can already begin to bake for about 35 minutes because I do wrap it in aluminum foil. If you choose not to, you can break that time in half and your fish should be done within about 20 minutes. Guys, adding the Brussels sprouts, that is optional. You can add whatever vegetable that you would like. So here guys, I'm preparing to get ready to fry the fish. I did have some yellowtail snapper fillet. So I'm going to show you guys basically how to coat the fish based on how I did the fillets. I did not record myself coating the whole fish. So if you do watch, this is what you want to do when you want to coat your fish to prepare to fry. And before frying, before coating, I would say to allow the mustard and the seasoning to sit on the fish for about 10 minutes before actually going into the coating process. This is a process where you want to be a little patient to make sure that, you know, it is coated evenly, and this is going to help with the texture of the fish. Once you fry it, it's going to give you more of that crispy, crispiness that you're looking for when you eat fried fish. So go ahead and watch. Again, it's pretty self-explanatory. And just a little fun fact, guys, when frying any fillet fish that has skin on it, you want to place it into the oil on the skin side down. Guys, as you can see, I put each piece in skin side down. You want to keep that in mind when frying fillet fish. Now I'm going to go ahead and put my last piece of fillet fish in and put the whole snapper into the fryer. Hey, Bay. That's Bay in the back, guys. Say hey to him. So this is basically what it looks like after about 3 minutes. We're going to go ahead and get ready to do the first flip of the fish. So if you can hear in the background, our oven timer is going off. So I'm going to go ahead and do a quick check on the fish that's in the oven. So guys, our fish is basically done now. I did serve the fried one with a side of just grits with some cheese, and the other basically exactly what's in the wrap with the onions and the roasted tomatoes as well as the asparagus. Guys, I love yellowtail snapper. It's like my favorite. But again, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys next time.